Okay, I got the leaves in there. The other day when I was talking about I was gonna fill it up with leaves to the top of the blocks, I got it winterized. So now I'm headed down to the nursery, get me some Irish potato shoots, sets, and come back and plant this potato bed right here. That'll be a good winter crop, because it just don't get that cold here where I'm at. But I'm gonna plant some potatoes there. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna plant here. I think I'm gonna do a winter crop this year. I'm not sure what it's gonna be, but I'm gonna go for it. Other than that cold snap, I'm pretty sure it's gonna stop my blackberries and everything else. My figs are going. So I'm getting ready. We'll take it from there. Well, I come out to plant my potatoes and what I usually plant my potatoes in. And I've got one potato bush growing, and I'm fixing to put cabbage in. The reason I'm doing cabbage, when Bobby peels her potatoes, I usually put them in my worm bin. Well, over a period of 3 or 4 weeks, they'll sprout, and I pull them, bring them out here and plant them, and that's where my potatoes are. It just so happens I got one bush growing that I didn't pull apparently. But I went to buy some seed potatoes at the nursery. They were out. Do not have them. It'll be January before they get them. The middle of January. So we're looking at about 3 weeks. I said, no, I'll go ahead and plant the cabbage. Then if potatoes do come in, I'll go ahead and plant some of those. But so right now, the cabbage I got is kind of long-legged. Okay? Now when you plant this stuff, and you plant it about 15, 16 inches apart. And you can plant up about 2 inches on that stem to give it a little support. So I've got 8 cabbages gonna go in my potato bin per se. Then there's my bag of leaves. Look, I rake this yard continuously. And like I said the other day, that there is winterized. Cardboard and everything. This one here is winterized. Cardboard and everything. She's just sitting there. All right? Well, so is my ginger, really. But this here, when I get the cabbage planted, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the leaves in here and stir it around. And look at the compost. I mean, just look at it. The old grass. And look, that ain't all. Look at the dirt. The prettiest black dirt you ever seen. Look at that. Dig down a little deeper and you'll hit a bunch of worms too. This bed has been piled full of leaves over and over and over for the last, I don't know, 6, 8, 10 years. And it's starting to show it too. Anyway, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and plant the cabbage and put the leaves in it and show you the finished product. All right, there's the cabbage in the ground. Already planted in that good black wet dirt, or damp dirt. Now I'm gonna dump the leaves around it and kind of clean it up. And I'll show you how it should look after it's planted. All right, there's the cabbage. Planted, wet, with the leaves piled around it. And those leaves, they help hold that moisture. There won't be any weeds growing up through this, because there's a lot of compost in there. I'll be harvesting cabbage before I pull any grass or leaves out of there. That's what I've been trying to tell people. It's so easy.